Today, I'll show you guys how to play any PSP games on your PC with the help of the PPSSPP emulator. I will also be showing you guys the best controller to use and the best settings to utilize so you can get a very good FPS and performance. So do make sure to stick to the end of this video. Now, simply start by searching for PPSSPP for PC. Once you search for this, you are going to see the official PPSSPP website. So simply click on it. Once you get in here, click on download. It's going to ask you if you want it on Android, iOS or Windows. Obviously, we're downloading for PC, so it's for Windows. So click on PPSSPP installer. Once you click on this, it's going to start downloading it to your device. Right now, as you can see, it is done downloading. So I'm going to open up my folder real quick. And as you can see, this is the PPSSPP setup. So let's install to our device. Now, once the PPSSPP emulator open up for the first time, just as you can see right now, it's also going to create a PSP folder. So if I'm to open my file manager right now and I go to the document section, you can see there's a PPSSPP folder in here. Now, if it does not actually create this for you, simply come to your PPSSPP emulator, click on browse, select any folder that you like to use, and once you are done, click on select this folder and it's going to create all the PSP folder in there so you can actually utilize it. Now let's move on to adding some games in here so we can actually play. Now I will open my file explorer once more and I'm going to locate my PSP game files. So right now you can see I have a couple of games in here. So what we're going to be doing is that we have to extract these game files. So I'm going to actually be starting with this one. So all I have to do is just copy it. So once I copy it, I'll take it straight to that my PSP folder. So I'll come in here, PSP game, I'll paste it inside the game folder. So right now you can see that this is actually a zip file, so we have to extract it. So you right click on it, you are going to see this extract all option. If you do not see the extract all option, that means you don't have this app which is called WinRAR on your device. So go ahead and install WinRAR to your device and you'll be able to extract. So click on extract all and it's going to start extracting to your device. So right now, as you can see, it is done extracting. So I won't be needing this zip file anymore. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this zip file because I don't need it anymore. Now we're also going to do this again for another game. So let me do that real quick. So right now you can see that my two games are done extracting. So we're going to open our emulator once more. Once we click on PPSSPP PSP games, you can see the two games are showing in here. So I'm going to be starting with this one real quick. So if I click on it, you can see that the game is here and is ready to play. Now we're actually going to be needing a controller, and the best controller you can use for this PPSSPP emulator is your Xbox 360 controller. So I'm going to insert my controller right now. So you can see game controller connected, which means it's working. Right now I'm controlling this game with the help of the Xbox 360 controller. So we're going to need to make some adjustments to our settings real quick. Let me do that. So I'll go into my settings. Under the graphics section in rendering resolution, click on it. You are going to see 4x PSP. Use this if you actually have a PC that is quite powerful, but you see this 8x PSP which is 4K. Use this only if your PC is very powerful. So for me, I'm going to be going with 4x PSP. Then scroll down. You can use full screen, but for this video I'm not going to be using full screen. Then you are going to see frame skipping. Click on it, select 2, auto frame skip, turn it on, and that's pretty much it. You can go ahead and start playing any game. So let's give these games a try and let's see how it goes.
going to find a way through like that. Just trying to stretch the defence. Making himself difficult to mark here. They don't know who should pick him up. Good disciplined defending. Lennon is a player who likes to get into a good crossing position. You don't see too many of those fly in. It was difficult to keep down. Well, he made his mind up early. He was always going to have a shot from there. What kind of tackles that? It's always going to be a free kick.
Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 5,000 subscribers for a while now. It have actually been taking me forever just to get there, but I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can also go ahead and watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.